So let's go. Okay, so today class we have Bill, Zhang, and Crazy. Okay, Crazy, you need to ask your mom to buy you a webcam. You need to have a webcam so that people are gonna see your face. I need to see your face from now on. We cannot study like this. All right, so this is the book we are gonna use, okay, for studying. Focus, guys. Stop talking. Client. Okay, client. Look at this word, client. Okay, professional person or okay, organization, receive service from them in return for payment. So these are the words that we should make a situation to use. So I'm gonna use okay the red underline like this. So let's start. A client. We have used this word for such a long time, guys. Don't ask me what this word means and how for you to use this word now. Organization, right? So here, let's start. I am just mumbling in English. So let's start. Let's create a situation right now. I'm going to use the timer. Where is the timer? Here is the timer. Okay, 2 minutes, all right, 2 minutes for us to talk. I'm going to be the first one. Client. I cannot say that I am a client, okay, at my friend's company because I haven't bought his products for a while. I am just a new customer. His company is okay. His company is a no one in Vietnamese market. My friend just opens, okay, just establishes his companies, okay, for 2 months. So I can say that I am just a no, okay, customer at his company. So whatever I try to do is that I'm trying to show my friends, okay, some support. I'm trying to support him, okay, by purchasing his products. He is a professional person. He is a very professional businessman. He tries so hard to build this, okay, to build his first company. He works in a shoe, okay, in a shoe production field. He has established a company. He has his business license, and he also has developed, okay, an organization for himself. We know as we already know that if we want to gain customers, and then we are gonna have clients. If we want to have more customers, and then we are gonna have a big network of clients, we need to develop an organization for our company. A company without organization cannot work well. We also need to have a system in order to control everything that is going on inside of that company. So here in my situation, I have used the word client, professional, and organization. I need you guys, okay, to think of a situation for me. Let's go, Bill. Show me the situation, please. And guys, when your friend is okay presenting, I'm gonna call your name, all right? So you need to pay attention to your friend. So let's go, Crazy, Zahan, Yahan, and Bill. Please speak up.
My father's shop requires him to be patient with his clients because his shop needs a lot of organization to buy his service.
Wait, please wait. We don't have the word survive in English. We have the word service in English. If you use survive, okay, SURVIVE, it's gonna be like you
alive.
fight in a war and you are not dead, you are alive, and you can say that, oh my gosh, I have survived from the war, right? So when you are a soldier or you try to fight against somebody, you can use the word survive in the case in which, okay, you are alive, you are not dead. So that is survive or survive. And here we are talking about business. We are going to use the word service in this case. You were talking about your father, but here you say you are using the word father and him, okay? If you begin your talk for the very first time, you need to show us who is that person. You use father and him in one sentence, and that sentence is the very first sentence in your talk. It's going to make, okay, your talk very confusing for people to get to recognize or to find out who is he. Okay, you are using the word father, and then the next minute you were using the word him. So we are thinking about two people, two kinds of people in one talk. So here I think that you need a little bit of time, okay, for you to prepare a situation. Okay, so when Bill is working on his presentation, I need to listen to other people. So let's listen to Crazy. Crazy, show me a situation, and in your situation, I need you to use the word client, professional, organization. This is not organization. This is organization. Organization. So let's go, Crazy. Show me your situation, please.
My situation is clients are the people who use the service or the product.
Excuse me, for service.
Service or products of a company. They are the customer that a business to serve, and I think a good client relationship is important for any organization. And
yeah, please go on.
That's all.
Oh, all right, that's all. Okay, just stop in the middle of your talk like this. All right, guys, let's work on this pronunciation first. This is company, company, service, product, organization. So here, I'm going to show you the brand map. I have told you that I don't like to use the brand map today, but you guys forced me to use this brand map. All right, company. First, okay, let's talk about the word company and client. All right, client, company. How do we get clients? Nobody has clients from the very first beginning. If you just, okay, for example, like me, okay, for example, like me, I set up, okay, an office for me to teach English. For the very first month, I cannot get clients. I am going to get customers, right? Here, you need to differentiate, okay, the word client and customer. Client, it means loyal customer. If you use client, it means that customer is very loyal to you. And that is an old customer. He or she will never give up on you. He or she will always support you, right? So that is the word client, company. Let's talk about the word company first. Here, I would like you to use the word professional, right? Professional. Professional. So let's start. All right. All right. Professional. Here, chuyên nghiệp nhé. Bây giờ mình dùng từ chuyên nghiệp như thế nào này? Trong cái ngữ cảnh của cái IELTS nha mấy bạn, mình không có gì mà liên quan đến kinh doanh, mình không có chuyên sâu về kinh doanh, mình cũng không có chuyên sâu về sales, nhưng mà mình đã qua những cái môi trường đó rồi. Thì ở đây mình dùng những cái từ này để làm gì? Thứ nhất, mấy bạn dùng cái từ company nha, nói về công ty đúng không? Nói về công ty và nói về khách hàng, thì dịch cho Google dịch nó dịch cái từ client và customer là khách hàng đúng không? Và khách hàng á, mà khách hàng đầu tiên của mình, những khách hàng mới á, thì người ta sẽ dùng từ customer. Khách hàng mà xài cái dịch vụ của mình lâu rồi hoặc mua cái sản phẩm lâu rồi thì trong tiếng Anh người ta sẽ dùng từ client trong tiếng Anh. Còn bây giờ khách hàng bây giờ thời ngày giờ đó là khách hàng muốn là người thật việc thật, không có mướn mặt bằng mướn gì hết đó, tới đúng cái lô đất đó, cái nhà đó đứng tên có phải là cái người đó buôn bán hay không, thì cái người đó được gọi là người mà tham quan, cái câu là tham quan ấy, khách tham quan người ta sẽ gọi là visitor, the visitor. khách tham quan. Thì bây giờ mình sẽ tạo ra một cái tình huống nhé, mà mình có thể sử dụng được tất cả các khối lượng tiếng Anh này. Và cái tiếng Anh này người ta hay gọi là tiếng Anh này thật sự ra là nó liên quan đến TOEIC nhiều hơn IELTS. Nhưng mà thật ra thì đối với những cái bài thi IELTS thì bài thi IELTS thì nó gọi là nó phổ cập hết tất cả mọi tình huống trong cuộc sống, cho nên mình cứ chuẩn bị cái tư thế là tốt nhất. Ok, từ vựng mình nó phong phú thì cuộc đời của mình nó đa dạng, không có sợ bị yếu điểm ha. Ở đây professional thì được gọi là chuyên nghiệp. Làm sao để chuyên nghiệp? Nói về công ty, nói về khách hàng, bây giờ công ty muốn mở công ty thì phải làm cái gì? Xin giấy phép kinh doanh đúng không? Xin là gì và giấy phép kinh doanh là gì, đã học rồi, học rất lâu rồi, bây giờ bắt đầu ôn lại. Và cuốn sách này là dùng nha, tại mấy bạn đang có IELTS nền là từ 0 chấm lên 5.0 hết rồi, bây giờ bắt đầu mình kéo lên cao nhé. Giấy phép kinh doanh gọi là business license. Và khi mà học IELTS xong thì mình nghe những cái đài gì đó trên mạng, BBC, ABC gì đó, rồi VOA gì đó, nghe là biết hết, hiểu hết. Thì cái khối lượng từ vẫn phải có thì nghe mới hiểu được ha. So here, let's start. I'm gonna start speaking. A company. I'm not working in a company. I'm working in an office. Okay, you can see that I am sitting in my office, and it is also my house. And I have a very big room for me, okay, to work. So here in Vietnam, okay, if you want to have a company, you should apply for a business license. For example, I don't have a job and I need to apply for a job, right? We have the word apply for, so apply for. I need to apply for the business license. And here, after I get the business license, I will be able to operate, okay? I will be able to operate my company. I will be able to operate my company, all right? I will put my company, okay, in the business. And when everything is all set in the business, I'm going to start to have new customers. The very first people, okay, who come to my office to buy my products or to buy my service, okay, are called customers. At the very first, okay, moment, we cannot get ourselves clients. We can only get ourselves new customers, and we need to be professional. Why do we need to be professional? We have to be professional in the way that we talk, in the way that we communicate with the customers, in the way that we persuade the customers to buy our products. Please, professional, you need to look into the case of professional. What should you do to become professional in business? First, think about the communication skill. Here, we have the action word communicate with. I have to communicate with my customers in a nice way so that I will be able to persuade him, okay? I will be able to persuade him to buy my products, to buy my service. And if he doesn't understand anything about my service or products, I need to explain everything to him clearly and politely. So here, in order for me to be professional, I need to have communication skill, persuasion skill, or explanation skill. Here I have the word like explain, okay? Explain something to somebody. When you communicate with somebody, you need to learn, okay, the communication skill, right? We have lots of skills for us to learn. And the next one, we also have the one like persuasion skill, because for some people, they don't know how to persuade people. And the next one, that is explanation skill, right? If you explain things to other people, but they don't understand anything from your explanation, you need to do something. Okay, you need to be slower in the way that you speak. All right, and you need to show them good behavior and good attitude, good gestures or posters in order to calm that person down, so that they will be able to understand everything you say. So here, let's get back to our situation. So guys, I'm gonna click the timer and I'm gonna begin the situation again for you. And the first person that I'm gonna call is someone. Okay, so let's go. I want to establish a company, but these days it's very difficult for me to be alone in this kind of market, in this kind of business. So the best way for me, okay, to just set up a company is I need to find myself a partner. And when I have a partner, it will be much easier for me to get a business license for my company. In Vietnam these days, the policemen are very tough and hard. They will check, okay, every kind of company, every type of shop, okay, in this market. So whatever we do, we need to get the business license for our company. And after I have gained the business license in hand, I and my friend start to work on our products. Lucky for us, the customers like our products. The customers like the way that I communicate with them. I have such perfect persuasion skill, and I will be capable of persuading my customers to buy my products. And people keep saying that I am so professional. Yes, okay, because before I run business, before I run this company, I have to learn communication skills. I have to get persuasion skills and explanation skills for myself. Once, okay, the customers need my support, I will be ready to help them. So here, company, okay, needs people to work to keep the company in business. And what should we have to keep the company in business? We need to be professional. We need to be professional. We need to have an organization. An organization is like a system. You need to have a system so that you will be able to run the company. And when the company, okay, and your system are becoming more professional, you will be able to get more customers. And the customers, okay, are going to become your clients. And when you have clients, okay, you have money in your hand, no need to work on anything, okay, anymore. So that is, okay, the case. Như vậy khi mà mình nói như thế này nè, mình phải dẫn dắt nha, dẫn dắt một cái biểu đồ tư duy, dẫn nó vô. Làm sao có công ty thì phải có giấy phép kinh doanh, mà bây giờ nói về giấy phép kinh doanh thì làm sao để có giấy phép kinh doanh thì mình phải xin. Mà bây giờ đứng một mình thì làm sao xin được cơ? Phải miêu tả cái thị trường này nó như thế nào. Thị trường này biết cái từ gì rồi ha? Đúng rồi, thị trường này biết cái từ gì rồi ha. Và bây giờ mình vận hành công ty, vận hành là gì? Vận hành là mình đưa nó vào hoạt động, đơn giản là thế thôi. Và khi mình vận hành công ty, tại sao mình cần là chuyên nghiệp? Chuyên nghiệp để làm gì? Có phải là chuyên nghiệp để giao tiếp với khách hàng không? Giao tiếp là gì? Phải cụ thể ra. Giao tiếp là trong giao tiếp là phải biết thuyết phục động từ trong tiếng Anh là gì? Và trong thuyết phục là phải biết cách giải thích, mà giải thích động từ trong tiếng Anh là gì? Như vậy để có được cách giao tiếp, cách thuyết phục và cách giải thích thì mình phải có những cái kỹ năng. Và kỹ năng giao tiếp thì nó quá chung, mình phải cụ thể ra, mình phải specific ra. Thì cái kỹ năng thuyết phục là gì? Cái kỹ năng thuyết phục nó sao cho tiếng Anh, và kỹ năng giải thích nó làm sao cho tiếng Anh. Và khi mình đưa cái công ty của mình vào hoạt động rồi thì mình trở nên chuyên nghiệp trong những cái kỹ năng, trong 3 kỹ năng này. Thì khi mà mình trở nên chuyên nghiệp trong 3 kỹ năng này rồi thì mình có thể thu hút được khách hàng. Thì những cái người mà đầu tiên mà đến mua đồ của mình, người đầu tiên đến mua cái service của mình, người đầu tiên đến đặt tiền xuống để purchase cái product của mình thì được gọi là customer. Khi mà những cái người này được gọi là khách hàng rồi, và họ tiếp tục đến và họ support mình, họ mua đồ của mình, thì mình sẽ gọi người đó là client, được gọi là khách hàng, mà họ là khách mà thủy chung á, khách mà gọi, người ta hay gọi là khách quen á, khách ruột á, trong Việt Nam mình gọi khách ruột ấy. Rồi như vậy bây giờ như bắt đầu nói nhá. Let's start talk. Let's start guys, let's start. You guys are ready. Let's go with crazy first. Crazy, let's go. Và mấy bạn nhớ tập trung vào cái từ gì nhỉ? Tập trung vào cái gọi là cái pronunciation nhé. Okay, let's go crazy. Show me your situation. You have only 2 minutes and 20 seconds for speaking. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. Crazy. You are muting your mic. You need to turn up your mic when you are speaking. Let's go. So it seems like she has some problems. Let's go with Jahan. Jahan, show me. Let's go, Jahan.
Okay. DR is a very big brand in the world, and I think every who want to be wear a fashionable clothes, they will know DR. And before they become familiar, they have to have business license, and they have to publicize their products on TV or on everything social platform on the internet. And they want to
make the clothes come far, and they invite Jisoo become ambassador of Dior,
Oh,
and when she's become the ambassador, she will become clients of Dior, and when the company have any new clothes and any new product, they will send for they will firstly send to Jisoo, and when fans see her wears the clothes, they will come to the shop and buy products, um and what and I think the Dior is very professional, because when any customer go to their shop, they will serve them friendly and fastly fast oh fast, so
yeah.
that's it.
So that's it, right? Okay, ambassador. I love the word. I love the word that you are using and you are choosing, okay, a very specific case, Dior, right? And here, very good job, okay, although we don't have much knowledge about Dior or any kinds of popular brands, okay, we still highly, okay, great your speaking, because you have just shown me, okay, a very clear case of the situation, uh, a very clear case of through a forward company, service, product, and organization. Very good. And John, okay, please need to work on your pronunciation, because your pronunciation uh is still very bad. You need to work on it. Please use the Cambridge Dictionary, all right? Let's go with Chum, okay? Guys, please be careful. We have lots of words in our mind these days, but here the best way for us to study English is that we have to force ourselves to speak. Whatever you do, okay, after you read, you need to speak. After you listen, you need to speak. After you write, you need to speak. Or even before you start to write an essay, you need to speak too. We need to present, right? Presentation is very, presentation, okay, is a very essential skill for us to have. Let's go, Gracie, show me the situation. And guys, okay, from now on, when your friend is speaking, I'm gonna pause all of sudden, and I'm gonna ask you guys some questions. All right, let's go, Gracie.
My situation is the companies need their client to be successful. Like if another brand want to be famous, want to be popular, they need to have the way make their customer feel like interesting, like very like with this brand. And I think having a strong connection with clients is very important uh to the brand, for the brand uh to be a professional in business. Like when you work with clients, the company should try to give the excellent customer service. This means like the brand need to listening carefully to what the client needs, and they must explain clearly what the company offer and quickly solving any problem the client have. And they must to
What should we
build.
Well, what should we do to solve the problems, okay, that the brands has? We have the word brand, and when you need to pronounce this word clearly, because when people listen to you, okay, you say you use the word listening to. No, we have the case of listen to. Okay, don't use listening to. That is a wrong grammar. So here, what should we do to solve the problems that the brands, okay, that the brand is dealing with? So here you are using the word brand, you are using the word problems, and the next action verb that you are using is solve. So the question here is, what should we do to solve, okay, to solve the problems that the brand is facing? What should we do?
We need to listen to the clients. Like sometimes the brand have some small problem, like a clothes.
I know that when you say that, okay, we need to listen to, okay, the problems. Here, when you show us an action verb, you say that need to listen to, but you have to go into details of the action of the listening to. What should you do, okay, to be effective, in listening skill? So John, okay, show me the case, okay? Show me the case. She says that we need to listen to. Crazy says that we need to listen to the brand. Here, okay, the question here is, what should we do to solve the problems that the brand is facing? Her answer is, Crazy's answer is that we need to listen to the brand. So show me more about the listening skill. Okay, what should we do to be able to listen, okay, to the brand's problems effectively? So what should you do, okay, to be able to listen to, the brand's problems effectively? We have the listening skill, right? Just like English. When we are studying English, we have listening skill to master. Do you have any ideas? What should we do, okay, to be able to listen to the brand's problems effectively? An effective listener, show me.
So firstly, we need to know accurately the problem that our brain is facing on, and then we can ask our clients for the rating and the problem they face, so we can have a plan to solve that problem.
All right, it is a bit better, but that it's not that clear. Think of the word effective listener. What should we do to become an effective listener? Crazy, Zhanyan, do you have any ideas? An effective listener. You have problems, you need to solve your problems, but the first thing first, we have to be a good listener. Why do we have to be a good listener? And what should we do, okay, so that people can consider us as good listeners? Crazy, do you have any ideas for this? Zan, okay, so what about Zan? Can you help Crazy on this?
I think we should listen to another ideas of everyone, because when we want to make a new product and to publicize for everyone, we have to I think that we have to share the ideas to all the employee when they do in the project of that product. And like if we have any ideas, we can share to each other, and I think they will think of your idea, and if your idea is good or can make their product popular for everyone, they will accept your idea, and so you are.
Okay, it's much better because you have mentioned the action verb share, right? It's all about idea sharing, okay? So your talk is all about idea sharing. It's good. It's very good, but although it doesn't carry deep meaning, okay, of the title, an effective listener. How to become an effective listener? How to become an effective listener? In order for us, okay, to become an effective listener, first, bây giờ làm sao mà để trở thành một cái người gọi là người nghe hiệu quả? Mấy bạn nói là để giải quyết vấn đề thì chúng ta phải biết lắng nghe. Lắng nghe là lắng như thế nào? Lắng nghe là để biến mất, hay là lắng nghe mà để lắng động lại trong thời gian, mà để cảm nhận được. Làm sao mà để lắng nghe, right? How to become an effective listener? First, I should show people that I have to pay attention. Okay. First, I will pay extreme. Okay. I will pay extreme attention to what. Okay. To get to the topic. To the topic that people are talking about. And second, I will maintain eye contact. I will maintain the eye contact. Eye contact is very important. When you listen to people, you don't maintain your eye contact. You move your eyes to the left and you move your eyes, okay, somewhere. People will think that you are very impolite, or maybe you misunderstand something, or people will think that you don't pay attention to their talk. So one of the best way for you to become an effective listener is maintaining the eye contact. Okay, contact. You should look in. Okay, you should look at that person's face, and you should look into that person's eyes in order to let that person know that you are following every word that comes from their talk. So that is the way to make other people feel safe and feel good about your talk. And then, next, the next thing for us, in order for us to become an effective listener, is by asking. All right, it's like ask and answer. Okay, ask and answer. You need to make questions. Listeners, a good listener will make questions to double check the information, to see that whether the information received, is accurate or not accurate, right? So you need to ask a question to double check, the information. I use the word accurate. This is not accurate, this is accurate, accurate. I need to double check the information that I receive or that I obtain from the speaker. All right, so here by asking question, I will know that whether the way that I think about the problem is accurate or not. And the next one, that is, I need to clarify. I need to clarify the problems that I get from the talk of the speaker. Make something clear, that is clarify. When you clarify something, it means you make it clear. So when you listen to somebody, you need to clarify the problems. You need to ask yourself what they are talking about, how many problems they are having, and how they feel, how their actions are, how their emotions are. So that is clarity, that is clarifying. So here, in order for me to become an effective listener, I have to clarify the problems that I get from the speaker. Như vậy đây là những cái hành vi, những cái behavior của cái người nghe hiệu quả. Mình nói mình dùng cái động từ trong tiếng Anh. Thì làm sao mà mình đưa ra được đúng cái quan điểm của mình? Các bạn nói là tôi sẽ lắng nghe, đúng không? Tôi sẽ nghe người đó, tôi sẽ nghe những cái vấn đề của người đó, và tôi sẽ chia sẻ cái ý kiến. Đúng là dùng cái từ share ideas nha. Share ideas rất là hay, đúng không? Giống như Gia Hồng vừa nãy nói á, tôi sẽ chia sẻ cái ý kiến của tôi. Nhưng mà chia sẻ nó không có bật ra được cái nghĩa, nó không có show được cái deep meaning của nó. Bây giờ mấy bạn chia sẻ cái gì? Và làm sao mà chia sẻ, làm sao để cho người ta biết là mình đang lắng nghe. Cách mà để cho người ta biết mình đang lắng nghe, cách thứ nhất và duy nhất là mình phải duy trì cái ánh mắt của mình, gọi là cái eye contact của mình. Và cái duy trì cái eye contact, duy trì làm sao mấy bạn phải nói rõ ra là thứ nhất là tôi phải nhìn vào mặt của người đó, và thứ hai là tôi phải nhìn vào trong mắt của người đó, là look, I will look into their eyes, alright? tôi sẽ nhìn vào trong mắt của người đó, và sau đó ok, sau khi tôi nhìn là tôi sẽ đã cho người đó thấy là tôi có một cái sự tập trung nhất định dành cho người đó. Và để mà kiểm chứng được những cái thông tin của tôi, những cái thông tin của tôi nghe từ người đó đó là tôi có hiểu hay là không, hoặc là tôi hiểu đúng hay là hiểu sai, thì tôi phải hỏi lại, tôi phải double check là tôi hỏi để tôi có được cái câu trả lời từ người đó, thì tôi mới biết được là cách tôi hiểu đúng hay là sai. Sau khi tôi biết được cái cách tôi hiểu đúng hay là sai, để bắt đầu tôi mới làm rõ ra cái vấn đề. Làm rõ ở đây là làm rõ cái vấn đề mà người đó đang nói đó. Cái người đó đang nói cái gì thì mình làm rõ nó ra, là clarify nó ra, clarify những cái vấn đề mà mình tiếp thu từ người đó. Để làm gì? Để mình tìm ra được cái nguyên nhân hoặc cái reasons, và mình tìm ra được những cái căn cớ mà nó dẫn đến cái vấn đề này, và mình cũng tìm ra được những cái giải pháp, được cái solutions luôn. Thì đây được gọi là cái tư duy, cái tư duy logic nha. Và mình tư duy, cái từ tư duy nó nghe nó phong phú trong tiếng Việt, nó rất là big trong tiếng Việt. Mà ở đây đơn thuần là tư duy là gì? Chi tiết càng chi tiết càng tốt, đơn giản là thế. Ok, và bây giờ thì mấy bạn sẽ tập trung vào cái từ effective listener nhé. Mấy bạn nói một cách rất là hay về cái business này nè. Mấy bạn biết cách nói mở công ty như thế nào luôn. Mấy bạn biết luôn cái cách mà để vận hành công ty, mấy bạn nói làm sao luôn. Mấy bạn biết luôn cách mà nói là xin giấy phép kinh doanh làm sao luôn. Nhưng mà cái mà thiếu sót ở đây là cái tiếng Anh của mấy bạn á, nó đang ở cái tầm trung nhiều quá đó. Nhưng mà mình cái gì mình đụng ở đâu mình nói chung, mình không có đi được sâu vào trong cái chi tiết. Bây giờ để đi sâu vào trong chi tiết thì mình phải có cái gì? Để đi sâu vào trong chi tiết, ok, để sâu vào trong chi tiết thì mình phải có một cái gọi là có một cái vốn từ vựng. Thì mấy bạn phải tẻ nhắn ra, từ nào không biết thì mình phải nghiên cứu nha. Và bây giờ thì mình muốn nghe mấy bạn trình bày về cái effective listener. How to become an effective listener. Let's go. Let's go crazy. Show me. Let's go crazy. Show me your situation, please. Effective listener. Oh my gosh, Crazy is doing something.
I don't have any idea.
No, you cannot say that you don't have any ideas. Just look at the brand map. Whenever you see the brand map, you need to think of a brand, an idea based on the brand map. For example, you can say that. For example, Crazy, I'm gonna be the one to show you my situation. An effective listener. I have to be an effective listener because these days people need listeners. People don't need talkers, right? People keep saying that it's easier done than it's easier said than done. You keep hearing this sentence a lot in our life. People keep saying that it's easier said than done. It's easier said than done, right? So here we need a listener, we need a doer, we don't need a sayer. And how to become an effective listener, and why do I have to be an effective listener? I have first, okay, you should, how to find ideas, guys. First, you give a situation based on the process, based on the process. Here, okay, pay attention. First, you show me what should you do to become an effective listener. First, pay attention to you pay attention to what? You pay attention to who, and how do you force yourself to pay attention to and maintain the eye contact? Why do you have to maintain the eye contact, right? And why do you need to ask and answer questions? And what do you need to clarify? So that is the way for you to find ideas. You cannot say that you don't have any ideas. If you want to upgrade your IELTS band, you have to think of ideas, okay, as quickly as possible. Crazy, okay, please, okay, try to change yourself if you want to upgrade your score, right? So let's go with Jahan. Show me, Jahan, and the next one is Nyan. Let's go quickly, please. Show me.
I think if you want to be an effective listener, first we have to we have to be in deeply listen to another person when they say, and we have to pay attention to the sayer, and when and you want to pay him, and when and if you want to show them that you are listening, you have to maintain the eye contact to the sayer, to show that to the speaker, and to show that you are listening what are they saying. And if you don't understand anything, you can ask to the speaker, and to for them to clarify the problem that you don't understand. And you can and if they have any problem, you can find some ways, find some methods to help them um to solve the problem. And and um and if they want to ask you something, if you are listening, you can answer the question. You can answer their question, and I think they will consider you consider that you are an effective listener. So that's it. I don't.
Okay, very good. Wow. Finally, okay, we have made it. Very good, John. Thanks a lot for your effort. Let's go, Nyan. Show me your situation, please. An effective listener. But here, Nyan, don't copy your sister's ideas. You are able to use her ideas, but you need to use a different structure and different vocabularies, right? Different. It's like paraphrasing. So let's go, Nyan.
Okay. If to be an effective listener, firstly we have to pay attention to the person who is presenting, who is speaking. Yeah, of course you can talk to everyone surround you while the person is speaking. And secondly, you have to look at their face, or look into their eyes to con to 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 concentrate on listening. After their speech, you can ask them the problem that you don't understand to, and then they can answer you to check your problem, and you can clarify your problem that you don't understand. From that, you can find out the reasons. And then you can find the solutions that suitable with your problem, and then you can solve it. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, it's good. All right, very good. But here, yeah, okay, when you speak, guys, okay, you need to work on the pronunciation. Okay, this is, I don't know how many times I have told you guys to work on the pronunciation and also the grammar. You lack, okay, words, you lack vocabularies, and you also forget, okay, the grammars. And then, okay, you just don't remember anything about the pronunciation. You pronounce, okay, English words like Vietnamese words. So please, okay, work on the pronunciation from now on, because I'm trying so hard today to change everything about you, right? So let's move to Bill. Okay, Bill, show me situation. Today, okay, this class is not a debate class, all right? This class cannot be considered as a debate class because nobody debates anything, okay, with each other. We are just presenting our ideas. It's just like a presentation class, right? So let's go, Bill, let's show me.
If we want to be an effective listener, we have to be a devoted person by showing our concentration to the speaker, by retain our eyes contact to them, so they can see that we carefully listen their problem, and we also have to carefully giving out question afterward, and after we receive their answer, we need to confirm the reason, the sources of the problem, so we can directly give them the advice of their problems. That's all.
All right. Retain. The very first word is very good. All right, guys. Today, okay, is such a long day, right? It seems like you guys haven't performed well in class. I feel a little bit down too, but we cannot do anything harder when we are so weak like this. So from now on, we are gonna study more, okay, more vocabularies, more grammar, and we have to upgrade ourselves, guys. You need to work on yourself too. So please try harder. Effective listener, maintain eye contact. And guys, please remember, this is not okay a B2 or B1 class. This is not an A1 or A2 class. This is a Cambridge class, okay? We study Cambridge in order for us to be able to get IELTS easily. So guys, please, okay, remember that from now on, we're gonna study harder and we are gonna have okay, many classes. And crazy, you need to have okay, other classes too. All right, so we need to end the class now. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye, guys.